Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying ownership and assembling tools so nothing stops you mid-task. First, remove the interior doorknob or thumb turn, unscrew visible screws and pull the spindle out. Once done, take off the trim rose or cover plate. You may need a small pry bar to loosen paint-sealed edges. Make sure to keep screws organized so reassembly is simple. Exposing the cylinder now lets you see retaining screws and how the lock is mounted, which prepares you for cylinder removal next. You now focus on the cylinder. Find the retaining screw on the door edge and back it out. With that undone, turn the keyway or insert a screwdriver to align the plug and slide the cylinder out. If you have no key, use a plug follower while driving the plug through, or drill through the plug center carefully to release pins. Once the cylinder comes free, remove the tailpiece and latch assembly, noting their orientation so your replacement matches the original fit and operation. You finish by inserting the new cylinder with the correct tailpiece orientation, sliding the latch back into the door edge, and reinstalling the retaining screw snugly. Once secured, reattach the trim and knobs, making sure screws are tight but not over-torqued so threads and plates remain aligned. Now test the lock 10 times in both directions, checking smooth action and strike alignment. If it sticks, loosen screws slightly, adjust strike plate position, or file the strike margin.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.